Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to consolidate data in LibreOffice. Now, for us to get this done, what we're going to do is head over here in our LibreOffice calc file. And then we have three branches here. And what we're going to do is consolidate the sales for all of the following items for all of three branches. Now, for example, here, we're going to go ahead and just start here at A2. Go ahead and click data. Once you're here, I want you to click the options and make sure that you enable all of these options right here. And now we're going to click on source data ranges are undefined. So this is where we're going to go ahead and get our data and go ahead and click add once done. So I'm just going to choose the items until the last number of items. And for all of these three branches, there you go. Now in there, under copy results, to go over to consolidation and choose where you want to put this, say A2, for example. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So now you have seen the items, the sales right here. And if you head over to click this plus sign right here, you'll see the breakdown of these particular sales right here. So yep, there you go. I can go over and click the GPU as well. And you can see all the branches here. So yeah, basically that's how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video has been useful for you guys.